Are you tired of receiving endless group texts on your iPhone? In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll show you how to block group texts on your iPhone and reclaim your peace of mind. Whether it's a never-ending family chat or an incessant barrage of work-related messages, we've got you covered. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of blocking group texts on your iPhone. We'll cover both iOS 14 and later versions, ensuring you can follow along regardless of your device's software. Say goodbye to constant notifications and interruptions, and take control of your messaging experience. We will show you how to block in the first time one person. So let's tap on the Messages app. We have here a person called B that we want to block. Tap on that conversation. Tap on the profile name and picture from the top. Now tap on Info. At the bottom of the list, you will see a button called Block this caller. Tap it. Tap again Block Contact. Now all messages will be blocked and you are free of those annoying messages. Of course, if you want to receive messages back, you can simply unblock the person. Also, if you want not to block the person but you do not wish not to receive notifications for messages sent by this user, you can do that. Go back to the previous section. Toggle on Hide Alerts. This will help you not to receive alerts from these contacts. But how can you block a group text on iPhone? There are multiple types of groups. You can leave a group of iMessages, but you cannot block a group of old messages, but there is a way not to be annoying. So let's go back to the Messages app. We have here a group of messages. Tap it. Tap on the group photo from the top. Here, if this is a group created only by the person who uses iPhone, you will have a Leave button. Tap on that button to leave the conversation. This will make it so you will not receive messages. But what if it's an SMS group? You cannot really block a group SMS message, but you can do something like this. Tap on the part from the top and block every person who you do not wish to get messages. This will make those messages not to appear. Please remember, this can make the conversation weird. In my opinion, the best way to block a group text is to simply hide its alerts. So on this page, tap on Hide Alerts. This will make the conversation not to send you alerts when you get messages. So this is the best way to deal with a group text on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Also, let us know in the comments which method you found most effective in blocking groups on your iPhone.